How's it going, guys? It's Marco working with Functionland. Today we are bringing you the install process for getting a FULA node set up on your Windows computer. This is a tool to be able to help us run our FULA node on our Windows computer, as well as be able to check out to see if the node is healthy, be able to see logs and general management of the containers in a nice user interface. Now we're going to run Docker desktop so that we can accept the user license agreement. I'm going to sign in with Google, and then it's going to ask us some questions. We don't have to give it any personal information ultimately. We can go ahead and install like this. Now we're actually going to want to download the FULA node itself. To do that, we're going to want to navigate to Telegram and find the announcement on August 8th that has the link for the FULA node executable, or I'll just have the link to that in the description of this video. If your computer is like mine and it doesn't trust the executable, go ahead and click Keep Anyways, and then now you'll be able to click and run the executable. Go ahead and click OK on the Windows permissions to install the application, and go ahead read through the license agreement. After that, you can select where you want to download the program to. Now this screen is where you will select which drive do you want FULA to actually use. I chose the E drive, and then from there it'll finish installing. Now Windows will prompt you to give the application permissions to open up 4 ports. And I encourage you to expand more on those details when it prompts you to verify that it is only just doing that. After that, you'll get a kind of a blank screen like this. You'll go ahead and wait a little bit and then just go ahead and hit next and then hit finish. Now from this point, we can start our FULA node by searching in our search bar FULA start, and then we can get it up and running like that. This process will take roughly 5 to 10 minutes, but you'll see eventually that our command line will pop up and we'll have the containers downloading and start running. Now that window will disappear and your Docker desktop will show up, and you'll see all 6 of them are running. You can click into the container and you'll be able to see all the logs that all of the containers, sub containers are running. If you ever need to troubleshoot, report those logs back to the team to troubleshoot anything with us. Now we can close all those windows up, and then we can go to our taskbar and click on the FULA application, and we can start setting up our FULA node to join the testnet. First things first, we're going to want to view the terms and go ahead and click accept. Now we can set our password. If you already have a FXBlocks, make sure to enter that same password that you used when setting it up originally. If you don't, make sure you don't forget what this password is, as if you're setting up more nodes in the future, this is how your data gets encrypted and decrypted across all your nodes. Same thing with MetaMask. If you've set one up before or planning on setting up more in the future, make sure to use the same account across all the nodes. After that, you can go ahead and set authorizer. You'll get your peer ID and your blocks peer ID, and then you can go ahead and hit next. Now we'll want to join our FULA node to the testnet. To do that, we'll go ahead and click on the link at the top of the page, whether we're an NFT holder or we're setting up a node for ourselves as an original Indiegogo campaign funder. You'll go ahead and enter in the information, and you'll get your token account ID from the Join a Pool page. You can just go ahead and click on it to copy it to clipboard and then paste it in there. If you are wanting to join the testnet via an invitation, you'll go ahead and get that token ID and send it to the person whom is inviting you, so they can set this up so they can add your FULA node to the testnet. Now that it says account is funded successfully, you can go back to the join a pool screen and then look for the pool that is nearest you, and you'll want to join that one. After waiting a day, you should already be earning rewards, and you can go ahead and click on the taskbar icon one more time, and then it'll show you your rewards at the bottom. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If there's anything that you need help with, any errors that you're encountering, please feel free to reach out to us in Discord or Telegram and we'll be able to help you out there. All right, see you in the next one.